So I ended up buying one of these R36 badges off AliExpress. I just wanted to give you guys a quick show of what it looks like compared to the OEM badge that's on the boot of the Passat. There we have it. It is probably, I don't know, 20% smaller if I had to put a number on it, but it's not the same size. Some people did tell me about that, but for whatever it was, $12, I wanted to give it a try just to see what it was, because I will be doing a paint correction on this and I'll be taking off all the badge work to really get behind there. It's quite hard to actually detail in these little sections. It involves lots of clay bars and toothpicks and little tips and techniques that I've learnt over the years, but nothing quite matches just simply cutting it off and then applying another badge on there. But unfortunately, I'm not going to be using this one because it's not the right size.